10 healthy tips for losing weight. Balanced diet. Focus on a balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains. Incorporate a variety of nutrients into your meals to ensure you're getting all the essential vitamins and minerals your body needs. Portion control. Pay attention to portion sizes to avoid overeating. Use smaller plates and bowls to help control portion sizes and prevent mindless eating. Stay hydrated. Drink plenty of water throughout the day. Sometimes thirst can be mistaken for hunger, so staying hydrated can help reduce unnecessary snacking. Regular exercise. Incorporate regular physical activity into your routine. Aim for at least 150 minutes of moderate intensity exercise or 75 minutes of vigorous intensity exercise per week, as recommended by health authorities. Strength training. Include strength training exercises in your workout routine to build muscle mass. Muscle burns more calories at rest than fat does, so increasing your muscle mass can help boost your metabolism. Limit processed foods. Minimize your intake of processed and high-calorie foods, such as sugary snacks, fried foods, and sugary beverages. These foods are often low in nutrients and high in unhealthy fats and sugars. Mindful eating. Practice mindful eating by paying attention to your body's hunger and fullness cues. Eat slowly and savor each bite, and stop eating when you feel satisfied, rather than overly full. Get adequate sleep. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep per night. Poor sleep can disrupt hormones that regulate appetite, leading to increased cravings and overeating. Manage stress. Find healthy ways to manage stress, such as meditation, deep breathing exercises, yoga, or spending time outdoors. Chronic stress can lead to emotional eating and weight gain. Consistency and patience. Remember that sustainable weight loss takes time and consistency. Focus on making healthy choices consistently over time rather than seeking quick fixes or crash diets. By incorporating these tips into your lifestyle, you can achieve your weight loss goals in a healthy and sustainable way.